Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I am the Detail Hot Lap. This video has been shot before, but I have cleaned it up immensely. So this video was one of my first few videos. It looked absolutely horrendous. Yes, it was one of my first videos, and I do want to make sure you guys enjoy it. There was some video flaws, there's some audio flaws, but I want to clean it up, make it make sense for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy it. As we get started with all vehicles, we make sure we rinse down the vehicle, and then we go ahead and start on the tires themselves. And I make sure I go ahead and clean the undercarriage of the vehicle. This doesn't take as much time whenever you have the right tools. So I do have a link down in the description for you guys to purchase one if you want one for yourself. Then I go ahead and spray on some tire and wheel cleaner, and then I use my brushes. If you do want any of my equipment that I use or any of my chemicals, they're down in the description for you guys to purchase. And then I start applying foam to the vehicle. Even though I just got done cleaning the wheels, I go ahead and spray them again, so that way they continue to stay wet and don't dry up. So when I use a wash mitt, I go ahead and use a 2-bucket method, 1 water, 1 soap, and then after I finish each panel or I complete a full window on one side of the vehicle, I go ahead and rinse it out and then put soap on it and then proceed to clean the vehicle. Then the final step to washing the vehicle is cleaning off or rinsing off the vehicle and all the soap that is still applied.
Woo!
then we want to go ahead and finalize the cleaning. We want to use a drying towel. Make sure you do not put any pressure on the towel. Let the towel do the work and you should be able to get all the water off. And then there's a little secret here. You can use an air bubble, like one of the spray attachments, or you can use a blower to get off all the water in the crevices of like the door handles and the folding mirrors. And then of course, do not forget to clean the windows inside and out. Make sure you roll down the window so that way you can get all the seams and make sure that it looks seamless. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I will definitely see you guys in the next one. Peace.